Hello guys, it's Imran here from Artintech. Today I'm going to show you how to create a warehouse in Prospect software. So we'll start by hitting settings and we'll go in warehouse. So as you can see, we already have multiple warehouses here. To create a new one, we will hit plus. And here you see we have lots of warehouses over here. We have form here for the warehouse. So you can add the warehouse name. It could be any name of the warehouse, the contact person, uh, the number, and then we can add city, province, and then we can add address, and then we can add postal code and email. And then we have two options. You can use it as a default warehouse or sellable warehouse, or you can keep the both. So that's how, and then we hit save to add this warehouse in the database. So I will show you how to edit it. So that's one of the warehouses we already have in the system. To edit any information on this warehouse, just hit this pencil button over here, and you can change whatever you want, and then you can hit save. That's how we add warehouse and edit warehouse in Prospect software. Thank you.